So I welcome you all to, I think it's 23rd day and it's 3rd of May, and today Bank Nifty was all choppy. Okay, and from morning itself I was having a bearish position as as 920 straddle which it entered, it always was like going away, and it was not going away very far for the stop loss to be hunted. Okay, so let's measure like from 920 price. What was the peak that it reached? It reached 0.6%, and my stop loss was not hit at any of this time. Okay, the delta trades it did not work in the morning. Okay, it like it hit the call stop loss, then the put stop loss, and sorry, the put stop loss was taken here. Again, fresh entries, call and put stop loss both hit. Okay, then the 15 o'clock trade, again it didn't work because market went sideways. So overall I closed at around just hold on. Yeah, it's a minor loss of 215 rupees. That is less than 0.01% of my capital. So I think that was it for Bank Nifty. And Nifty, it has not sustained above this 18100 line for 2 days. So I'm not yet bullish on Nifty. It needs to give two green candles above 18100 so that I can go long on Nifty. So I think overall it was a good day for me. Like there was no stop loss hunting as such, but let me just go ahead and show you how the premiums behaved. Alright, so I took trades in all three indexes, and Nifty decayed from like 110 to 105. So there was a 5-point decay as there is a Fed meeting tonight. Bank Nifty decayed from 340 to 295. Okay, so and Finnifty was like the worst performing. It's like 225 to 220. Now Finnifty behaved this way because it was almost the next day to expiry. Not almost, it was the next day to expiry. So let me show you. Okay, fine, this is the VIX chart. Now the VIX opened at 12 and it closed at around 11.8. So there is no change over there. So this is my this chart, M2M chart. Now it started at 0 and then it was like, then it started to trend in like after 13 o'clock. It reached a maximum of only 2000 rupees. Then it took a sudden fall here because Bank Nifty started to rally in this place. Okay, now again it took a spike because of this fall. All right, and then because of this rise in the end, there was again a fall in the M2M, and finally I closed at smaller loss because of this small fall in the end, this one. So I think that's it for today, and I hope the audio is like audible because everyone is asleep around me and I have to record this. So yeah, let's hope for a good expiry tomorrow, a profitable one. Till the time, take care, bye bye.